So you're tired of phone calling people by itself while it's in your pocket? So let's see how to prevent pocket dialing on your any Samsung devices in just a few quick steps. So the first thing you have to do from your settings, go to display and scroll down, and here you will find this accidental touch protection option. So make sure this is turned on. This feature actually helps prevent touches when the phone is in a dark place like your pocket or bag. Now the two more things you have to turn off from your settings, just back from here and go to advanced feature. And now from motions and gesture, you will find this option lift to walk. Make sure this is turned off because this keeps the screen from lighting up when you move your phone. And from here you will find another option, double tap to turn on screen. Make sure this is turned off too. So no more screen walks up from small bumps in your pockets. And this is how you can prevent the accidental pocket dialing on your any Samsung devices. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.